Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a how to teach you how to make your vision board for 2025. Now you want to open up Canva. Here I made like a list of vision boards over the years. So this is how all my previous vision boards look, and also to mention, this is a mock-up of a vision board, not my personal actual vision board, because I want to keep that very private, very intentional for me. And I just want to give you guys how I typically do my vision board. You want to go to the resize, because obviously you could type in like a vision board or YouTube thumbnail kind of situation, and you can use the resize for 1080 as your measurements to start it from there, or you can actually go on the home page and start it from there, and it'll show you all the different type of designs of the size that you're trying to make, or you can use a template. Also, like if you want to change the size for like your iPad, that's another place to locate that, or phone, and make it smaller. So this one would be like a MacBook example. So you want to go on Pinterest. This is my Pinterest. So the first thing I'm going to look for is a picture, something that I know I want to add to my vision board. You're going to click the download button and click the save. Okay, it's going to go up on your browser, and you're going to click that download button right here. You're going to click the picture. It's going to pop up here. Then you're going to save it to your photo gallery, and then it's going to save again. Then we're going to go back to Canva, and we're going to upload it into the upload files section. And there you go, there's that one picture. Okay, here we go again. And basically you're going to keep doing this process till you get all the pictures that you're looking for to put on your vision board. I love using Canva for almost anything and everything. If it could do anything I'm trying to do, then Canva is your girl. So you want to size it down. It may not be your main focus. You could color code it if you like. If you want things to go a certain color scheme, you can. If your vision board is you want to travel more, you want to make more money, you want to eat better, or you want some nicer things, or you want to start treating yourself, you can be very intentional as you want it to be. You like quotes, or you could put anything like that on there as well. Okay, if you want certain quotes to describe what is on your vision board, you can do this as well. You can also copy the image, and it'll also upload it into the upload file section, and there you go. That's another way you can get your pictures off Pinterest or wherever you're getting them from. Usually everybody gets their mood board, vision board pictures from Pinterest. That's our go-to inspo for everything. Also, I have 2025 is my year. There's so many different 2025 options that you can use to put it and say like that is for like 2025 vision board. You could write it out with text if you want, or you can just use quotes, kind of like what I did here. So these are all our pictures. Now that we finally got that done and out the way, and all of them are uploaded in the section, you can do them one by one and place them where you want them to be at, or you can just pile them on and you move them around like how I did. So if you want to do some new hobbies, we got Pilates, we got a pottery class, if you want to do more self-care things, you want to get yourself a bag, go back to school, get you some money, eat healthy, and do whatever it is that you want to do. This is how you would place your pictures, and it's kind of like a collage style. They're kind of overlapping. I like the little bulkiness around the pictures. It's kind of cute, a little aesthetically pleasing to me. And if you're, these are all picture inspos. Some of these are like kind of like sort of like my inspos, but different pictures, if that makes sense. Like same vision board layout, different pictures. I have way more things. I just put what a person may want to have on their vision board. I even put a family, if you are trying to start a family, you want to get married, those big girl goals, you want to start dressing up, you want to be a content creator, anything like that. Like you want to start cooking more, eating healthier. I feel like 2025 is definitely that year of action and doing more things for yourself, getting into more things for yourself, and just making that dream life of yours come true, because everybody deserves it. If you want to be a gamer, you want to start taking your content creation seriously of any kind when you find your niche, the gym, Pilates, if you plan on starting a business, you can even put the words boss. Like this one is Aaliyah Jane. She has like the cup girl boss in there. So I feel like, that was an all-in-one take. Also, you can change the background. You don't have to leave it white. You can change it, use the color palette. You can also use the gradient or just pick a solid color if you want. And I'm gonna pick pink, like a very light pink, obviously. So that's why I went to the color palette and change it. If you want a different preference of pink, you don't want it like a super hot pink, then you can make your background kind of pink. It doesn't fully show, but I'm gonna show a little bit in the video how you can see your background on your desktop and stuff. So as I'm placing it, I'm kind of gonna speed up the process a little bit. I think it is already, but if you want a new dog, go for it. You want to be a dog mom this year, you want to go back to school, you want to get a new bag. I feel like picking pictures that have like a 2-in-1 says a lot in your goals. Like you're gonna get it, it's gonna happen, and you're gonna make it happen some way, somehow. However you want to start this first quarter off, I feel like all these things are like achievable. Everybody's timeline is different and situation is different. So making this vision board should definitely give you like a burst of inspiration of how you want your year to go, how it should be, and anything that may upset you, or don't let it upset you, try to overcome it. Hopefully it gives you the motivation to know that, this could still be a year, whether it happens in the beginning of the year or the end of the year. So this was another way you can also put the 2025. You go right there on elements and you click shape. I didn't like how it looked in the circle, but it's an option if you like to put the 25 in a certain shape. But I kept it in the square. I like the bulkiness, so it's pretty cute to me because it gives that collage style and stuff. So it's definitely something worth trying, but that's also another option to basically get it together. So now the fun part is over. I think I have all the pictures. I may add one more because I don't like to leave like space on the vision board. I feel like there's more room to add things on there. or you can resize it to get it the way you want to. So just to leave no room for like no space, you know. You can bring it forward, you could bring it back, you could, you know, so you could make sure you see every single picture the way it needs to be shown. You could bring out the most important pictures or the least important pictures. Yeah, so now the important parts are there, it's fixed. So we're gonna click more, and we're gonna bring that to the front because it's kind of blocking this little one right here. Like I said, you don't want too much overlaps, but like a cohesive kind of overlap. Like it doesn't look bad or too crowded. Like everything is meant to be, like it's right there. It's like a perfect match. So like I said, hopefully all of these pictures is like an inspo for you. I found these all on my Pinterest boards. You could follow me also on Pinterest if you like. Okay, we love Pinterest. Oh, this one was very cute. If you've never been to a basketball game, hopefully courtside is like top tier. I've never been courtside, but I've been to a basketball game. One thing I can say is I definitely want to do a lot in my life, like get the most out of my life. And you want to group these pictures together. So you're gonna double tap the corner, or you can just highlight it and it'll show up the tabs as group. You want to make sure all your pictures are forward. If you overlap a couple of words or quotes, you want to make sure you bring that forward as well, even though it's not shown here, just in case. If you wanted, like I said, if you want a different section for like eating healthy and you just wanted to add like a picture quote stating what that is, like gym, going hard in the gym, and you just put that on top of like the gym section or your wellness section, kind of where the girl is in the pink and the food, you want to make sure that is bring forward so all the pictures can group together. What you're seeing me do here is getting all the corner sizes together because I don't like the unevenness of the pictures. So I want to make sure like they're all even on all the corners. So I will go around, clean that up. Then I'm going to regroup it again so they can all stick together. And like I said, you'll be able to see your background, which was pink. And basically, if you have a MacBook, it can oversize the whole thing. And once you group it again, you'll see that background layer of the picture. Okay, see how the pictures are all together, they don't move. So this is how my vision board would look. Because there's some words coming up, yeah. Here's the thing. Vision board for 2025, and I hope it comes true. I hope you get to do everything, accomplish everything on your vision board. Like I said, this is a vision board inspired and not my actual own. I mean, there are a few things that I do have on my own that is on this one. And also, not to mention, if you don't know how to download it, you're going to press the share. You're going to click download right here. And you're going to notice that it says all 5 pages. No, we don't want to do that. And if you have the Pro like me, you can use those Pro features. And you want to just unselect the all pages part and click current page, and it should be current page 4. So that way once you're done, it's gonna download it. I don't want to actually download it, but once you press the done, and it's gonna download it, and wherever you have your download selection in your settings, that's where it's gonna go. I mean, once it's done, it's gonna come right up here in your browser area, and you're gonna have that download section right here, and basically it's gonna be there. You're gonna have to click it once it's done, and then it's gonna pop up like you've seen in the previous when I did the pictures and got them from Pinterest. Obviously it's gonna do like a pop-up window, and you get to save it right then and there onto your desktop. It could be in your photos. I like to put onto my photos. As you've seen, that's where mostly all the pictures where I got them from came from, and that's how you would get your vision board onto your MacBook or like your desktop screensaver. Like I said, you can size it down to however you want it to look. You could change the setting like for the sizing, or you can also start it off like I said by the resize up here and change it, or just search it up on Canva to the size of your iPad, your phone. And like I said, Canva is beginner friendly, very easy to use for about anything. So don't make this be your collage for the year of what the year should look like, even if it didn't happen or if it will happen. But we definitely want to accomplish everything on these vision boards that we do this year. Okay, 2025 is definitely about fun with action. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like more of these DIY projects. I will drop another one for the bingo card, and more DIY projects for the rest of the year. So stay tuned for that as well. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.